all, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are safe. Today I received a Byjus learning kit. So I'm going to do unboxing and my brother Mayank is going to help me.
Hi all.
Mayank, please help me to open this kit.
Sure.
There's a Byjus name here and also there's a Disney name here. When my brother will open, so my brother helped me opening the cover and I'm going to open this. So Ferrari car is here and Mickey Mouse is here and Mimo and Dory is here. Let's dig in. This is a Byjus game castle. And there's a Byjus symbol flag. And there's a Byju. So this is like a game. And here is the finish. And here is the starting. Look, this is awesome. So let's keep this aside and so this is the game and this is a card and these two is a sticker book. So this is the stickers and now this is also the stickers. So the stickers.
Okay guys, this is the Osmo kit. If you put your tablet over here and work on the sheet, the work which you did on the sheet it can be seen on the tablet.
So a snowman is here, dice is here, Byju's badge is here, and Queen from the movie is here. Worksheet is here, and there's a tablet and a marker. So I'll put this aside now. So these are all the things we got in the kits. So I will show you how to use them in the next video. Tablet I got from my Byjus kit and the Osmo kit and the worksheet and the pen and eraser. So I am going to show you how you use the Osmo kit, and this is actually a maths worksheet but it's called meter and centimeter.
Oh, it's great to see you again. Let's solve some worksheets together. Place any worksheet in front of me. It's for heroes all over the world. To make a new suit, she has to know about units like centimeter and meter. Tick the correct answer to fill in the blanks.
So I need to do the correct. So 1 meter plus 2 meter is 3 meter. Now 2 meter 5 centimeter plus 3 meter 10 centimeter. The answer is 5 meter and 15 centimeter. So here it is. Now 8 meter 25 centimeter plus 6 meter and 10 centimeter. So which is the correct answer? It's this one. Now let's start.
Looks like you're done. Press the button at the bottom of your sheet to submit your answers. Alright, let's check.
1 is correct, 2 is correct, 3 is correct.
Great going.
So this is the other side of the worksheet.
Suit. She has to know about units like centimeter and meter. Tick the correct answer to fill in the blanks.
So this is not additions now, this is subtractions now. So 4 meter 50 centimeter minus 3 meter and 50 centimeter. So answer is 1 meter. Now 5 meter 25 centimeter minus 3 meter 10 centimeter. So I need take the correct one. It's this one, I think. Now 9 meter 20 centimeter plus 7 meter and 25 centimeter. So which one is the correct? Correct one is this one. So let's do it. Now we did them correct. Let's put my pen now and now tick it.
Looks like you're done. Press the button at the bottom of your sheet to submit your answers. Press the button at the bottom of your sheet to submit your answers.
Now we're able to do.
Okay, let's check.
1 correct, 2 correct, 3 correct.
Good job.
Hi guys, today my grandfather gave one task and I need to complete that 18 table task, and let's do it. So everyone knows 18 ones are 18. So 18 twos is 36, but also 18 plus 18. So 3 into 8 is 24. We will write 4 here. Now 2 here. Now 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2, 5. So answer is 54. Now 4 into 8 is 4 into 8 is 32. So 2 here and 3 here. So 4 into 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. So answer is 72. Now 5 into 8. Now 5 into 8 is 40. Everyone knows 5 into 8 is 40. So 0 here and 4 here. Now 5 into 1, 5 plus 4, 9. So answer is 90. Now 6 into 8 is 48. So 8 here and 4 here. Now 6 into 1, 6 plus 4, 10. So answer is 108. So 7 into 8 is 56. So 5 here and 6 here. Now 7 into 1, 7 plus 5, 12. So answer is 126. Now 8 into 8 is 64. So 6 here and 4 here. Now 8 into 1 is 8 plus 6, 14. So answer is 144. So now 9 into 8 is 72. So 7 here and 2 here. Now 10 into 8 is 80. So 9 into 1 is 9 plus 7 is 16. So 162. Now 10 into 8 is 80. So we will write 8 here and also the same thing 0 here. Now 10 into 1 is 10 plus, so plus, so 10 into 1 is 10. So answer is 180. So thanks for watching my video. Subscribe, share, do the comments and like and share, and bye.